Let's stay with the world of business, where the Nigerian banking and financial sector was marked by a blend of economic shifts, regulatory changes, and macroeconomic headwinds in 2023. However, analysts and industry experts say this sector demonstrated resilience in the year. How did the industry overcome these headwinds, and what lies ahead in 2024? Now, News Central's business reporter, Perpetua Fasanmi-Peter, has more.
The year 2023 presented Nigeria's banking sector with so many challenges, which stemmed from a variety of factors, including adverse global shocks, regulatory headwinds, unfavorable macroeconomic conditions, and the unintended consequences of reforms undertaken by President Tinubu's administration.
I think one of the critical things that shaped the banking industry in 2023 is actually the challenges that we have in the FX markets. And it got so bad this year that even the CBN even defaulted on some of the forwards that they've issued to the banks. Then another area that adversely impacted the industry was actually the cash reserve ratio, right? That one actually significantly affected the industry, with some banks having over 100% of their Naira deposit sterilized with the CBN.
Despite the highlighted challenges, the banking sector demonstrated resilience and, very importantly, the banks had to innovate.
The banking industry understood long before now the direction of the economy, and many of them gapped their balance sheet positively in terms of foreign exchange position. So in effect, they had what we call positive open positions. And basically what they did was, because anybody who understands the macroeconomic environment knew that the exchange rate at the previous rate was unsustainable, and that any new government was going to adjust the exchange rate to be market reflective. So when that adjustment was done, most banks logged in and made huge exchange gains. So the fact that the banks are adopting technology and using alternative service delivery channels is creating opportunity for them to make non-interest income, that you are beginning to see an expansion in non-interest income higher than even income they're making from what they call fund-based activities.
Looking into the next 12 months, what trends will shape the banking sector?
I think this year, 2024, will actually be a year of capital raising for the banks, for the banking industry. A lot of banks are going to raise capital. While some of them are fine when it gets to the regulatory minimum in terms of Naira and Kobo, you realize that a lot of them, they are actually inching towards the ceiling of the capital adequacy ratio. I anticipate one or two mergers and acquisitions during this year. I think we're going to see some improvement in the FX market this year. I believe that the CBN will try and clear the backlog, right? And I think there will be some new regulations to see how the market can even come back to normal.
While challenges abound, the Nigerian banking sector's 2023 performance speaks volumes of its capacity to adapt. As the industry evolves in 2024, continued economic stability, effective regulation, and good risk management will be crucial to sustain this resilience in the long term. In Lagos for News Central, I am Perpetua Fasanmi-Peter.